Fact 5. Jamaicans are the only one who call their entire leg foot. And them say head back, neck back, foot back. Yes. And when them have gas, them say them all have it in them hand and them have gas in them foot. And so we stay now. And then we are the only one that when we are sure what we pointing to, we go so with the chin. And we say the thing there. Yes, pass the thing there. We don't say what it is, we just say pass the thing there. And we that that's how we stay. We're nice. Happy Independence, Jamaica. And thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?